Ay, Diyos ko, atong pahiliso na itong pagkaon kay lisura yung Tagalog, oy. At ang init-init, guys. Mapaig na ako. Matest natin ang power ng ating foundation. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we are going to review is this product from Bilena. This is their Bilena All Day Liquid foundation. I got in the shade Silk. Okay, and for the price, it is 195 pesos. Alright, so for the weight, this is about 35 grams. I believe this is 1 fluid ounce, which is very standard to any liquid foundation. That is very good. Alright, so when I open this up, this is just in a very, plastic container, travel friendly. Yes, I do love that. Very light. Okay, so anywhere you go, this will be very good. So packaging, pretty much like Bilena style, black and white, and there's nothing much like popping up with this you say package, all right, or let's say container or packaging wise. It's very like they didn't really spend so much with the presentation and stuff. It's just pretty much just plastic container, that's it, and squishy too, so it's fine. And when I open this up, it's already sealed with the plastic, so it's good. It's very when you open up, make sure that it is sanitized. Okay, and when you open, there's no like how you call this, plastic sealed, so it's not, since the outside is already like sealed. So for application, I am using my favorite brush from e.l.f., which is the Ultimate Blending Brush. It's very thick, it's very good, and with this foundation I only use little because it has a very thick consistency. Okay, and I believe that if I put more, I would be cakey, and so I just did 2 pumps in each side. So the first time I use it, underneath I have my skincare and of course my pore minimizer. I don't do like testing anymore with any other like pore minimizer, or like putting right away foundation without any pore minimizer, because with my face it doesn't work. I need to have a pore minimizer underneath a foundation. Okay, so when I tried it, it's very thick, but it is heavy on the face. Okay, easy to work with, and it doesn't set on the skin, which is fine, which is really good. No scent, additional plus. Coverage. All right, so coverage wise, I believe this is only medium coverage. I still see my flaws in there, and I thought that just using a 1 pump can do everything, but it doesn't. But I feel like with my skin, if I add more, I would have separation on top of the skin. And then it is heavy on the face. I feel hot, and right now it's about 10:39, which is only about 20 minutes ago with my face. Just very minimal makeup for photography. Okay, I'm surprised because it looks good with a flash, and as well as natural lighting, it do well. So photo perfect, looks good. I like it. Doesn't have a white cast on the face, though I powder myself with Maybelline because I feel like this not gonna hold up. So that's the downside. I need to have another product to set it. I thought I could just do my under eye, because I did put some concealer on underneath my eyes too, because I feel like this foundation doesn't work, or like coverage wise, because it just only gives me a medium coverage. And if you can see the acne, how's the coverage, putting it more, but when I blend it out, it as soon as I get to work on it, it does fade a little bit, and it only gives me a medium coverage for 30 minutes right now. This is what the face looks like. I'm gonna go pick up my son first. I'm gonna be at home, and then I'm gonna ride a bus and to meet my friend in Seaside. Okay, so see you guys later, and we'll hope this foundation will not give me a kick face, or it doesn't really give me so much problem later on. Inside the bus. Josh is there, on the back side of the bus. Honda ba? Mantika, ano ko now? Oh, ka-sexy! Okay, magkuhan sa battery na. Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa SM at sa supermarket tayo, ha? Okay, ito na ang ating Honda ngayon. So, I have my friend here. Chling! Kasama ko kanina sa bus. Skin rejuvenating. Fair skin. Ako, natural. Minus foundation. Who's here? Hi, oh, in person, mo cute. In person, mora gyapon. Mora gyapon. Pero oy, grabe. Hi guys, dito na tayo sa Sky Park. Behind me is Josh, the very sexy. Di na sexy? Di na sexy? Sexy din na, oy! Papa kayo, oy? Naayun gito sa iyang ano?
Very ski.
Yes! Money siyang Sky Park, no? Sky Park is where all the food you can eat. Whatever it is, Japan. What is this? Shabu shabu is like Korean, I think. Ichiban? Korean? Korean bang Ichiban? I don't know. We might gonna be eating here in Seafood Island, Chuva. So we're gonna be here. So it's Jasmine, Jen, John, and Apple. So we're gonna go inside. Oh, ha?
Shoutout din nato si Michelle. Michelle, nandito ko sa punse mo, Char. Dapat international language. International language is love.
Merkada kay buhok, oh?
Ha?
Merkada kay buhok. And this is Apple. Yeah, Jen's friend.
Yes.
And of course, ang nag-iisang banana.
Maui.
Maui.
Buwana rin to.
Buwana?
Gulo.
Buwana? Wow, ito na po ang ating pagkain na malabo. Patay atong cholesterol na nila. Garlic rice. Rice more. Utan guys. Utan Bisaya. Okay? So this is what happened after all the storm has passed. Darang ako ang leftover. Okay guys, after the eating, kailangan natin i-walk natin ang ating mga pagkain. Ay, Diyos ko, atong pahiliso na itong pagkaon. Lisura ang Tagalog, oy. Dito na kami sa Sky Park, no? Sa labas. Ang init-init, guys. So, we are walking here to burn our fats. Maganda ngayon kasi wala pang maraming tao. It's not so many people, so it's beautiful. If pag maraming people, ayan, mahihiya ka rin mag-vlog. That's the reality of it. But ang init-init, guys. Mapaig na ako. Ay, matest natin ang power ng ating foundation. This is the view here. Yes! Ang init-init. Matitest natin kung gaano ito ka bongga. Okay, guys. Dito tayo sa para siyang children's park ba. Oh, grabe, mapaig. Diyos ko. Mapapaig ang ating beauty. Ano ba, foundation? Okay ka lang ba? Okay ka lang, foundation? Okay na. Magpamasahe tayo ng free. Agay, ang pulupot. Sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Hi guys. So ano tayo ngayon ha? Mag-update. It's been 5 hours. The time right now is 3 o'clock. Binali. Is there a separation on the foundation? Not really. It has some glow here, like on my pores area where I really have like problematic you know, areas in my face. It has some shine in there, which is very normal, but it didn't have any separation on the skin, which is really good. Wala na akong lipstick kasi kumain kami. Wala namang separation dito, pero parang nag-ano siya dito, nag-fade, no? Because of the way I like sit down in a restaurant or something, like my habit of like that, doing like that. So it wears out here. Nose area, parang nawala dito ng konti. May redness ng konti naman dito. Okay. Under eye, hindi ako nabuta ng buta. Yeah, I didn't put any foundation, only a concealer. So we're not gonna talk about it in this area right here. Here, my like fine lines, my wrinkles. So far, hindi naman siya separate, which is good. Cover wise, parang nagpick through na rin yung redness. Okay, so it's about 5 hours, and I was thinking that it could really like break thoroughly due to heat, humidity here, but it didn't. So surprisingly, for 5 hours, for $195, I think it's a good one. This is a little bit of a heavy foundation, so you need to really like be careful so you're not gonna end up a cake face, okay? And the good thing about this foundation is that when I take like flash photography, it's really good. Very fresh siya na look. In person, maganda naman talaga siya in person, parang nakaka-fresh. Okay, so far I think this foundation is worth buying for $190. Okay, I'll see maybe at 3 hours from now if the foundation will work or not. Okay, alright, and I will let you know more. Okay guys, magsisplit na kami. Magsisplit, okay, like a boyfriend and girlfriend. Okay, thank you, Dawn.
Thank you, Ten. Hug sa imo, hug.
Bye-bye, baby. Bye. I'm going to miss you. I'm going to watch your video. Keep on posting.
If she has uploads.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay. Hi guys, it is the end of the night. It is about past 9 o'clock, and the foundation already is wearing off. All I can say is that by the 8th hour, the foundation is still looking good, and I'm in the house right now trying to get ready or get everything ready because we're gonna go out tomorrow. Anyway, my thoughts about the foundation is it a good buy? Yes, for $195, I think it's a good buy. And for holding up for 8 hours with the heat and all, I think it's good. Okay, what else? It did have a little bit of separation here and on my like mouth area, but overall, flash photography, the way it looks in the face, I asked my friend Roche what she thinks of the foundation, and she said that it's looking great on my skin. So I guess it's a good buy, right? So I guess this is a for me. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like also this vlog, and till then, bye.